Leadpages pricing explained what you get for your money. Leadpages is a popular landing page builder for marketers, but understanding its pricing is crucial before making a decision. Let's break it down. Leadpages offers three main plans: Standard, Pro, and Advanced. The Standard plan starts at per month and includes unlimited landing pages, pop-ups, alert bars, and lead collection tools. This plan is ideal for small businesses or solo entrepreneurs who need simple but effective lead generation. Pro plan costs per month and adds online sales, payments, email trigger links, and integration with popular marketing tools like HubSpot or MailChimp. Most people get this wrong. They assume the main benefit is just more pages. The surprising truth is that Pro sales and automation features can turn a landing page into a revenue-generating tool without extra software. The Advanced plan is custom priced and includes advanced integrations, sub-accounts, and priority support. You won't believe how much control and customization this plan gives agencies or growing marketing teams, making it easier to scale campaigns across multiple clients. Leadpages also offers app testing, mobile responsive designs, and analytics to optimize conversions and improve campaign performance. In conclusion, Leadpages pricing scales with your marketing needs and business goals. The key is to choose the plan that matches your traffic volume, conversion goals, and required integrations. When used strategically, Leadpages can streamline lead generation, increase sales, and save time managing multiple campaigns.